Jai Hind to all. Today is which date? 21st April 2020. And which day? Tuesday, right? So, today, first standard English medium maths they are going to study, right? Today, we are going to study part 2. Part 1 we had already started chapter 1, right? Now in part 2, first I will explain you few hard words. There are 6 hard words are there. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So first one is what? Heavy. Heavy. How to read this? Heavy. Heavy. Next one. Light. Light. How to read this? Light. Light. Next. More. 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 Less. 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 Then INSIDE inside. And last one OUTSIDE outside. Here what you have to study, you have to compare these two words and you have to understand that what is the difference between these two words. Means heavy, light, more and less, inside and outside. So now I will explain you two words and I will also explain you that what is the difference between these two words. First we'll study heavy and light. Okay. So here I will draw two books. See, here I have drawn two books, right? See, first book is very thick, right? And see second book. This book is a thin. Means this book has a weight more and this book has a weight less, right? So this is a heavy object and this is a light object. Now MORE more and LESS less. More and less. For understanding this, I will take to basket. See, here I had taken to basket. Inside in the basket, I will keep apples. See, here I have kept 3 apples and here I will keep 1 apple. Here 3 apples are there and here only 1 apple. So which are more apples? Obviously 3, right? And here 1. So they are means here less apple. Okay. Now next topic, inside and outside. So here I will take 2 box and also I will take ball. But here I will keep ball inside in the box and here I will keep ball outside. See, here ball is where? Inside, right? But here ball is outside of the box. Okay. Now for better understanding, I will give you more example. First we'll study heavy and light. How to read this? HEAVY, heavy, LIGHT, light. Heavy and light. Now, have you seen bell? Right? See, I will draw here one bell. Okay. And have you seen that balloon? Many of you are playing with balloon, right? See. So, bell is a what? Heavy object. And balloon is a light object. How you can understand? See, balloon you can take in your hand very easily, right? But bell you can take in your hand very easily? No. Why? Because bell has a more weight and balloon has a less weight. Now, I will draw 2 boxes. See, have you seen boxes? Right? Obviously, right? See, I will draw here 2 boxes. here two boxes are there. This is a light box and this is a heavy box. How you can understand? This is the heavy box, right? It has a more weight and here light weight, right? Now another topic, more and less. For better understanding, I will give you some more examples. See, M-O-R-E, more, L-E-S-S, less, more and less. Now I will draw first apples and then we'll compare them, and then you can very easily understand that which are the more apples and which are the less apples. In this side, how many apples I have drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I have drawn 7 apples. And here 1, 2. 2 apples. 7 and 2. Which are more apples? Obviously 7, right? Because here more apples are there and here very less. Next, I will draw balls. Here I have drawn 2 balls. And see here, now I will draw balls. Okay, how many balls I have drawn here? Here 1 and 2, and here 1, 2, 3 and 4, means 4 apples. So which are more? Obviously 4, right? And which are less? 2. Here only 2 balls are there, and here 4. So these are more balls and these are less balls. Okay, now third topic, inside and outside. How to read this? I-N-S-I-D-E, inside, O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. Inside, outside. So for understanding this, I will take 2 boxes. See, here I have taken 2 boxes. Okay, now here I will draw ball here, and here I will draw here. See, here box is here, right? But ball is where? Inside in the box. And here box is here, right? But ball is where? Outside of the box. So this is the inside position and this is the outside position. Now another example I will give you. I will draw 2 baskets. See, one basket I have drawn and another one, right? So now I will take 3 oranges. Do you like oranges to eat? Yes, right? Many of you like oranges. See, but oranges here I have kept inside in the basket, right? But here I will not keep oranges inside. See, here is the basket and all oranges are here, and here is the basket, right? But all oranges are inside. See, means this is a inside position, right? All oranges are inside in the basket, and here basket is here and oranges are here, means all oranges are outside of the basket. So this is the outside position and this is the inside position. Now we'll study exercise. See, here heading is what? How to read heading? T-I-C-K, tick, T-H-E, the, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy, O-B-J-E-C-T, object, means tick the heavy object, and C-R-O-S-S, cross, T-H-O-S-E, those, T-H-A-T, that, A-R-E-R, L-I-G-H-T, light. Cross those that are light. Whichever are heavy objects, we have to tick mark, and whichever are light objects, we have to cross mark. Now see, these 2 objects. This one is the light object, right? So we have to cross mark, and here heavy object, so tick mark. Here also orange and watermelon. So orange is a light object, so we have to cross mark, and watermelon heavy object, so tick mark. Now see, elephant and mouse. So elephant is a heavy object, so we have to tick mark, and here light object, so cross mark. Next, here take the picture that shows more balloons, cross the picture that shows less balloons. Means whichever has a more object in all. More object, so we have to tick mark, and less object, so we have to cross mark. See, compare these two objects. Here more objects, so tick mark, and here less objects, so cross mark. Now see apples. We have to compare them. So here less apples are, so cross mark, and here more apples, so obviously we have to tick mark. Here also balls are there, but here more balls, so we have to tick mark, and here less balls, so cross mark. Now here triangles are there, here more triangles, so we have to tick mark, and here less triangles, so cross mark. Now here smileys are here, right? So here few smileys, so cross mark, and here more smileys, so we have to tick mark. Same way here more objects, so obviously we have to tick, and here cross mark. Now take the picture in which a ball is inside the box, cross the picture in which a ball is outside of the box. Means when your object is inside, you have to tick mark, and when your object is outside of the box, then you have to cross mark. So here box is there, right? But ball is inside, right? Ball is inside, so tick mark. Same way here box is here, right? But ball is outside of the box, so cross mark. Here also same concept. Here mouse is inside, so what we have to do? Tick mark, right? And here mouse is outside, so we have to cross mark. Okay. Now see, here apple is inside in the basket, right? So this is inside position, so tick mark, and here apple is outside, here outside position, so cross mark. Okay, I think now you all understand that heavy, light, more, less, inside and outside, that what is the difference between them, and I think you all enjoy this video. Okay, thank you.